Good morning, friends. This is Miss Meghan. I miss you guys so much and I hope you're doing really well. This morning, Piggy, say hi Piggy. Hi. He woke up a little bit hungry and so he asked me to read him his favorite story. Do you know what story that is? Should I give you a little hint? It's about a little pig who really wants her favorite breakfast. And do you know what breakfast that is? You can eat it with a little maple syrup and some fruit. That's right, it's pancakes. So I'm going to read him and to you guys if you'd like. If you give a pig a pancake. Are you ready? Are you ready, Piggy? All right, let's do it. If you give a pig a pancake, she'll want some syrup to go with it. You'll give her some of your favorite maple syrup. She'll probably get all sticky, so she'll want to take a bath. She'll ask you for some bubbles, and when you give her the bubbles, she'll probably ask you for a toy. You'll have to find your rubber duck. The duck will remind her of the farm where she was born. She might feel homesick and want to visit her family. She'll want you to come too. She'll look through your closet for a suitcase. Then she'll look under your bed. And when she's under the bed, she'll find your old tap shoes. She'll try them on, and she'll probably need something special to wear with them. When she's all dressed, she'll ask you for some music. You'll play your very best piano piece and she'll start dancing. Oh no, Piggy, get back on there. Then she'll want you to take her picture. So you'll have to get your camera. When she sees the picture, she'll ask you to take more. Then she'll want to send one to each of her friends. You'll have to give her some envelopes and stamps and take her to the mailbox. On the way, she'll see the tree in your backyard and she'll want to build a tree house. So you'll have to get her some wood, a hammer, and some nails. When the tree house is finished, she'll want to decorate it. She'll ask you for wallpaper and glue. When she hangs the wallpaper, she'll get all sticky. And feeling sticky will remind her of your favorite maple syrup. She'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if she asks you for some syrup, what do you think she'll ask for, Piggy? She'll want a pancake to go with it. The end. Did you guys enjoy the story? I did too. You know, that book made me feel a little bit hungry. How about you, Piggy? You too? You know what we can do is we can whip up some pancakes. Do you guys think you can help me whip up some pancakes for Piggy's breakfast? All right, that would be awesome. Let's do it. All right, friends, first things first, before we touch any food or cook, we need to wash our hands to make sure they're clean. So can you guys help me wash my hands by singing our hand washing song? That would be a great help. So let's do it. I'm gonna wet my hands first, and then get 1 pump of soap. Wash, wash, wash your hands, wash them nice and clean. Scrub them here and scrub them there and scrub them in between. Wash, wash, wash your hands, wash them nice and clean. Scrub them here and scrub them there and scrub them in between. Wow, look at all the bubbles I made. Time to rinse them off. Wash, wash, wash your hands, wash them nice and clean. Scrub them here, scrub them there, and scrub them in between. No more bubbles, all clean. Time for our ingredients. We have 3/4 cup of flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 of an egg, vanilla, and 1½ tablespoons of melted butter. Now that's a lot of ingredients. Can you guys help me count how many ingredients there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ingredients. Now it's time to mix them all up. First, we have to start mixing our dry ingredients together. So we have our flour, and then I'll add the baking powder, then the salt, and the sugar. Oops. And then we're gonna mix them with our wooden spoon just a couple of times to make sure they're all incorporated. Now it's time to mix our wet ingredients. So I'm going to pour a splash of vanilla into our egg, and then pour our milk into our egg. And I'm going to give that a quick stir just to make sure they're all together. Now that we have our dry and wet ingredients mixed, we're going to put them together. And you know what song reminds me of mixing? Our stirring song. Can you guys help me stir our batter by singing the song with me? All right, so now I'm going to add the wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. And then it's time to stir. Stirring and stirring and stirring our brew. Ooh, ooh. Stirring and stirring and stirring our brew. Ooh, ooh. Tip-toe, tip-toe, tip-toe. Boo! All right, it's all mixed up. Thanks for helping me with that song, friends. We're almost ready to cook the pancakes, but first, I wanted to teach you a pancake song that's going to help us cook the pancakes later. And it goes like this. Mix the pancake, stir the pancake, pour it in the pan. Fry the pancake, toss the pancake, catch it if you can. Should we sing it one more time? Mix the pancake, stir the pancake, pour it in the pan. Fry the pancake, toss the pancake, catch it if you can. All right, remember that song for later when we're cooking the pancakes. All right, our pan is nice and hot, and I'm gonna spray some oil on to make sure our pancake doesn't stick. Now be very careful because this pan is super hot. You can see steam coming off of it. And we'll give it a little jiggle. And it's okay if the pancake doesn't come out perfect. It'll still taste yummy. There we go. So we're going to cook this until the bottom is nice and golden brown. And on the top, we should start to see little bubbles. That's telling us that the pancake is cooking from the inside and it's getting nice and hot. There we go, last scoop for a nice big pancake. And now we need to wait. I'm starting to see a little bubbles. That means it's almost time to flip our pancake. So can you guys help me sing our song to help me flip the pancake? Ready? Mix the pancake, stir the pancake, pour it in a pan. Fry the pancake, toss the pancake, catch it if you can. Flip. See, the bottom is golden brown and it's smelling so yummy. Thanks for helping me flip that pancake, friends. The pancakes are ready. They look so good. Thanks for helping me, friends. I think Piggy's gonna love them. Let's go see where he is. Piggy, pancakes are ready. Are you hungry?
I'm starving.
Here you go.
Can I have some maple syrup, please?
Uh-oh.